baby, come with me.
Today we're going to ano tibagakon? Intayuman met agbalug. Ura ita lang. Intay ag coffee shop hunting. I'm waiting for my ride kasi nagbook na ki motor because kangko ang magmotor. So ti prospect ko nga papanan itaket Moonrise Cafe kumangum out of reach met the lineman digay. So nga I will go to Chana's Cafe instead, and yung isa ay andyan na yung ride ko, tapos yung isa pupunta ko sa After Morning Cafe, and I will check later kung ano pa yung mga pwede kong puntahan. Nandito na yung ride ko at hindi ko alam kung paano makikipag-usap sa kanya. So let's go! Dito yan guys. Nag-video. English DJ. Uzi. So, nakakahiya kasi magsalita kanina because as in closed space siya, tapos maraming tao. But now, I'm settled down and I have their strawberry matcha latte for 120 baht. Hindi mo na ako nag-order ng iba pa kasi baka hindi na ako makakain sa next na pupuntahan, which is sa After Morning, and I hope na open siya. So maganda yung vibe dito, very aesthetic. Actually lahat naman ng mga coffee shops dito very aesthetic, minimalist, I should say, minimalist. Tapos mamaya try kong mag picture tapos insert ko na lang dito sa vlog. So yeah, this is not aesthetic vlog. Punta lang tayo sa mga coffee shops. Tapos ngayon lang ako nakapagsalita kasi mayroong parang nag-work dito sa side kanina. So ginamit ko lang kasi wala siya ngayon. So let's try. Okay, final verdict before I leave. Yung strawberry matcha nila, hindi ko masyadong dama. Hindi ko masyadong na tikman yung strawberry. But it is more like matcha na meron ng hint ng strawberry. So, 7. Let's rate that as 7/10. Now, I'm going to Hindi ako mapakate. Now I'm going to the second coffee shop. Hopefully, meron akong makuha. Currently waiting sa lineman. May nabook ako. Yay! Madama charge ko. Ano dito na sunburn? Naknagasin? Nag-cute pa yun dito yung ruwan na. Nag-edit pagtugawan. I love it. Dito trorda. Madamat breakout session. Breakout ba? Tayo yung na. Anyways, nagaduman pimples ko kasi manamanap today. But yeah, excited to go to the next coffee shop. Sumuruman allergy ko na. And I don't care. Diyan na yata siya. Wait lang. Let's go! Guys, close DJ after morning. May kapamindwa dito yan nga mapanak. Ngam awan, closed. So, let's change. Mapantayo DJ. Smaller coffee shop. Which is Kajok Coffee. And it's 850 meters away from here. So, I have to walk na lang. Let's go! Kung maada motor ko, di better. Pero wala. So, let's walk. 400 meters to go. Mahangin naman. So, hanga na pudot. It's windy. You can't see. Now processing. Guys, it's open. Let's go. Oh, happening. Oh, it's open. God, coffee. Look at the vibe. Let's take a moment and look at my fluffy latte. So I got a fluffy latte in Kajok Coffee. Look at the vibe. Nagpintas, brew, Diyos ko Lord. Hindi ko alam. Very retro. With all the, anong tawag dito? Lahat-lahat ng mga ginamit nila na pakete ng kape. Tikita. Ang dami nita. Girl. Nagpintas. Nagpintas ni vibe na. I like it. Vibe is 10/10. And nag-bread ako. Kasi alauna na. Alaunan jakpay na nga. Oh, diso. And sana hindi na lang kasi baka kainin ko rin dito. We got croissant. Sorry. Croissant. The cute. And I paid 140 baht. Dapat kumahanak ng umay ditoy. Ngayon, close DJ after morning 53. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. So I had to walk from there 850 meters going here. Wow, there's an ambulance. I feel bad. Gumamit pa siya ng ano. Kakainin ko rin naman dito. We've arrived at the third coffee shop. Black Dog. Annie! Black Dog. Side pa lang to. Hindi pa tayo pumapasok. Finally, Black Dog. Update, makaisbo ako. Yung pag-isbuan dito guys. Example lang pag-isbak. Or else makaisisbo na. Na-realize ko nga ito no, December 10, in which December 5 na ngayon. It will be my 4th month. August, September, October, November, December. 4 months here in Thailand. Kasang kaano lang hindi August 10. Panagumay ko dito eh. I'm 4 months na. So, okay lang nag-exceed na sa Kabasit DJ budget ko for coffee shop hunting kasi at least I'm celebrating my 4 months here. Upatabulan ako to January 10, di maabulan ton. Tapos, half year ton to na February. I'm feeling great. Nga still surviving na. Kasi whenever I have my live na musta, I still can say na surviving na kwet lata. Okay latamit. Ngayon, let's not get away from the fact nga it's still sad. Nga mes-mesak dito ay foreign country. There are nights nga nakakalungkot din pala ang mag-isa. But winish ko kami dito, so wala na tayong choice. Last year, i-wish ko lang nga sana makapag-abroad na nga makatalaw na makapabannog nga setup. Though dito'y makapabannog bedlat ta. Ngayon, punang editi lang malagip ko talaga edi last year. Okay nang ma-stress. Okay lang marigatan met sang Kabasit basta adat abroad. Ngayon, kasi talaga siguro tanong once nga adakat abroad din. Narigat ti ay agbali na mas mesa. That's what I realized after coming here. After living abroad. Siguro valid met DJ point kon kasi I'm living here for almost 4 months already. And awan iti maasahap no dikit di bagbagik lang. So I have to take care of myself. piece of thoughts before I end the vlog. Anyways, itanakbit lang ang vlog. So, December na, mag-January na. Happy New Year! And this will be my first time celebrating New Year with myself. Without my family. That is fine. Nakaawid nakmet next year. So, you just have to bear with it. In life, there are some sacrifices that we need to take. And we need to make for us to be happy. Life is full of surprises and sacrifices as well. Wala, dito yung wrong vlog ko kaya 22 minutes na. Sinulit ko ito pa nag-vlog ko. Maibos kon. Nagatidog to yung ngels ko, di ko kitkitan. May imas ay maudin. Siguro kailangan talagang ag-melt the ice na. Tap nung makaroon mga imas. What's na? Wow, fit check. Finally. Fit check. 안녕하세요. 사와디카. Black dog. Mang. Pang thumbnail ko dito yan.